The Hiboy Titan Pro electric scooter is a giant born for off-road riding. It is equipped with a dual 2400W, 1200W X2 brushless DC motor that can provide enough power to achieve a maximum speed of 32 miles per hour. This scooter is designed to conquer all types of tough terrain with the same ease as urban riding. Its peak 1200W X2 high-end motor makes it an ideal choice for heavier and off-road riders. The excellent climbing ability of the Titan Pro motor makes it perfect for those residing in hillier environments. The smart display and key ignition make the Titan Pro electric scooter a highly convenient option. The display clearly shows gear, speed, total miles, and battery on the screen. The volt lock with the key ensures that the scooter stays safe and secure. The 24-inch foot pedal and dual suspension system make the Titan Pro an incredibly comfortable ride. The suspension system provides a smooth ride with excellent resistance when landing after jumps. The max load of 286 pounds makes it suitable for heavy riders. In summary, the Hiboy Titan Pro electric scooter is a powerful and versatile scooter that is designed to provide a thrilling and comfortable off-roading experience.